Jai Shri Mataji.
This episode begins by asserting the profound wisdom of ancient saints regarding the human microcosm, citing the inscription "Know Thyself" from the Temple of Apollo, implying that self-knowledge is the key to universal understanding. The author quotes Kabir, so said,
"O friend, this body is God's veena."
Other one, a Jain sermon says,
"Play your stringless veena."
The subtle nervous system is described as the Sushumna Nadi, parasympathetic nervous system, is the central path. The Pingala Nadi, right sympathetic nervous system, is the Surya Nadi. The Ida Nadi, left sympathetic nervous system, is the Chandra Nadi. The central nervous system connects to the physical world.
Divine consciousness enters the body through the crown of the head, fontanel, descends through the Sushumna Nadi, and activates the Kundalini in the triangular sacrum bone. This Kundalini then establishes deities in the associated chakras.
The cutting of the umbilical cord at birth creates a gap in the Sushumna, leading to the child's feeling of separation and establishment of individual ego. The anti-ego develops in response to the environment. Both ego and anti-ego inflate, covering the brain hemispheres, and psychic energy accumulates without an outlet, hardening the fontanel bone and separating subtle energy. This leads to the human brain becoming a region of ego and anti-ego tension.
When Kundalini energy remains balanced within the Sushumna, chakras are healthy, leading to normal and content lives. Philosophers, scientists, and artists in this state receive divine inspiration and quickly achieve self-realization due to a ready Sushumna.
This often applies to innocent children and youth in harmonious environments. The parasympathetic nervous system is highlighted as the system controlling Sushumna and the chakras crucial to Eastern mysticism. Kabir says,
"There is a strange tree which stands without roots and gives fruit without flowers. It has no branches, no leaves, it is everywhere soft." If Sushumna is opened, Kundalini fills the chakras with all-pervading energy. Sushumna is the path of evolutionary ascent and the middle path of Buddha, or the narrow gate of the Agya chakra, mentioned by Jesus Christ. Entering Sahasrara through the Agya chakra is a rare achievement, impossible without Kundalini ascent.
the text so includes biblical warnings about the difficulty of this path. As says Luke,
"I tell you, many will try to enter through the narrow gate, but will not be able to.
also says Matthew,
Enter through the narrow gate, for wide is the gate that leads to destruction, and easy is its way. And many are those who enter through it. Narrow is the gate that leads to life, and difficult is the way, and few are those who find it."
After self-realization, inner spiritual consciousness manifests as physical sensations like tingling, burning, numbness. These messages from the unconscious carried by Adi Shakti's vibrations need to be decoded. Thanks for joining this session. In the next episode, we shall undergo transformation of human consciousness.